Hi, welcome to the first episode of Cosmos with Jigyasa. And finally, I decided to start posting long format videos. And here we will talk about everything about lifestyle, manifestation, and everything in between. You just drop in the comments and I will talk about those things. Today, we'll talk about how to manifest when you feel anxious. But first, let's understand why you feel anxious. Okay, so why you feel anxious? Because in the past someone might have dismissed your ideas of your reality, something that you wanted to manifest, and while you were manifesting there might have been some obstacles because of which you might have to give up on your dream life, where you might have to compromise a little. But now you don't have to compromise for your dream life. Now you just decide what you want to get and how to get out of this anxious mode. You have to know that your reality does not deserve this anxiety. Your reality deserves calmness. So, whenever you feel anxious, know that it's not part of your reality, it's not part of you, it's just a phase which exists as soon as you decide it exists, and it gets cut off as soon as you decide that it needs to let go, it needs to get out of my reality. Okay, when you feel anxious, people say take deep breaths. Yes, it helps. Just taking a deep breath aligns your nervous system, makes you feel calm. If you don't believe in, just take a deep breath right now. I'm waiting. Felt instant calm? Right? This is the magic that your breath does on you. When you feel anxious and you don't want to do anything, whether it's repeating affirmations, visualizing, you just can't do anything, just go out on a walk. If you can't go out on a walk, start doing some kind of cardio. If you can't do cardio, do skipping ropes. If you can't do anything, just sit in silence with yourself. Don't use a phone, don't use your tablets, don't use anything. Just sit in silence with yourself. There will be lot of thoughts that's going to come, and you have to respond to those thoughts, not react. Like if it's saying it's not possible, ask yourself why it's not possible. Right now you may feel like it's impossible to ask it calmly, and you will react like, okay, it's not possible, it's not possible for me, I can't do it, let's just give up, it's entirely impossible. But you don't have to react, you have to respond to your emotions calmly. I have learned this hard way. I have given up on my life. I have given up on my dreams thousand times. Like you can't even imagine. Like I gave up on my dreams every single day, started every single day until I realized I am in a loop of giving up and starting again. I just can't do it. I have to constantly believe in myself. Like you have to constantly believe in yourself. You don't have to believe in your affirmations. You have to don't believe in your visualization. You have to don't believe in your routine. You have to believe in yourself that it's possible for you. You have to believe in yourself that you are made for certain things. You have to believe in your abilities to achieve those things. Like when you don't believe in yourself, when you are not confident regarding what you want to achieve and whether you're capable of achieving or that or not, that's the moment anxiety is created. Because you want to achieve something, you are not able to accept that you want to achieve something and you are capable of achieving something, you go on survival mode, you go into that anxious mode. So the key is that to not believe in anything, whether your affirmations or visualization, you just have to believe in yourself. Like literally, people keep repeating affirmations without believing in those because they believe in themselves. Like somewhere you know that you can do it, that's the only thought we needed. Like keep repeating your affirmations. You know what happens when you keep repeating your affirmations? They get charged, your words gets charged, and that's why the next time you say it, it happens instantly. So if you want to get out of anxious mode, you have to remind yourself how powerful you are. You don't have to focus on a lot of big things right now. Like just focus on what you did for yourself today. Drank a glass of water, appreciate yourself. Get out of that bed rotting, took a bath, appreciate yourself. Got ready, appreciate yourself. Had a talk with your friends, appreciate yourself. Spend some time with yourself, appreciate yourself. Every small thing that you do, appreciate yourself. How do you kill anxiety? By appreciating yourself for every small things that you do. You were never appreciated for the bigger things that you did in life, for the smaller things that you did in life. That's why that anxiety is being created right now. So if you want to stop feeling anxious, start believing in every small thing that you do. Start believing in yourself rather than anything external. And when you feel anxious, just take a deep breath. And I'll see you in the next episode. Comment what you liked about it, what you don't like about it, what you want to talk to me next. Love you.